Whose keys do you have?
Well, I don't know. They just got handed to me. It's
What is it?
It's CTSV Cadillac Escalade. 700 horsepower in an SUV. Apparently it's a lot of fun.
This is an SUV?
This is an Escalade.
Oh.
So this is the red key, which gives it the 700 horsepower.
Wait, that's the thing?
Yeah.
I mean, 700 horsepower is cool, but stock wheels are lame as f***.
Yeah, that's kind of whack. I don't know, but I don't know why I need steps.
$120,000 on a Jesus.
Oh my God, this
Dude,
thing is
what?
nasty.
Oh my God.
Right, start.
Oh my God.
Alright, where's this V button? I was told to press. Oh, right here. Found it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's go. Why do I feel like this is gonna be disgusting? He's like more excited about this than anything. He said this car is so much fun. And mind you, this is a guy who has more hypercars than he knows what to do with.
Yeah, this is Steve Hamilton's with the Hamilton Collection. If you guys don't know who that is, he's one of the owners. He's got a bunch of badass cars. You want to check him out. He does some cool shit.
0. Why is this an Escalade?
Oh my God.
My God.
Those shifts were crispy as hell too.
Oh, that it sounds
Yeah.
so
It doesn't even make sense.
Oh my God. There. So, listen. 120 is not fast, right? Like, that's not very fast.
Yeah.
Especially like when you're in like a hypercar or something like this. When you're in a big ass boat, like an Escalade,
Yes.
I felt like I was doing 200 miles an hour.
All right, ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God.
Now, 6.4 seconds.
And that's with me, like,
yeah,
that's not perfect, by the way.
6.4 seconds in a fucking Escalade, bro. No, that was lit up all green.
Was it?
Yeah, when I first started the car. Or
Maybe
when
V mode might go red.
yeah, I don't know. I thought it was going to be an RPM gauge.
Oh, that thing. I thought you were talking about the dash.
No, this right here has LEDs in it.
That's kind of cool.
I don't know for what. That is insane. Does that go all the way back?
I'm trying to find out.
Thing is insane. So when you're doing 120, you feel like you're doing 400 because it's so big.
Shit, bring the whole customer service team. There's enough seats.
It's the most like crystal clear camera ever. It's
I
so,
know, but they're
Oh, dude, this thing is stupid.
It's so fast.
That's,
Just wait till you hear it. Wait till you hear it. It sounds like a fucking Lambo. I'm waiting for you guys to get back because I want to know your reaction.
It sounds so good.
And dude, it just sinks.
Yeah, there's Johnny G. Dude, I didn't know that a SUV would ever be on like my bucket list of vehicles to wanna like ride in.
Right.
But that was cool. Like,
Yeah,
what the
yeah, yeah.
hell?
Yeah. No, I think it's fast.
Is he in there? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm just setting up cameras.
What we're doing? Attempting to hold the Ridgeline back. So we raced the Ridgeline, Adam raced the Ridgeline on foot, beat this. So now we're gonna see how many people it takes to hold back the Ridgeline from being able to go forward.
How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right?
Junior is such an idiot. There's no way this is gonna work. But there's no way. This thing has way too much power.
Jacques, we're probably gonna put you in the back.
It's all-wheel drive.
Are we ready?
It has too much power, and he's got 7 people here on a Friday.
Can we get the semi too?
What are they trying to get a car involved? Is that what they're doing? Who is that? He don't want no smoke.
Come help, you'll see. Are you ready?
Are you?
Got a lot of money just standing around. All right, I guess let's try this. Everyone just please be careful.
I'm just gonna let off the gas at first.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go! No!
There's no chance.
Not working.
Idiots. How'd it go?
Not good at all.
I was barely touching the gas.
Really?
You're gonna need 50 people, but it's gonna be
50?
awesome when you do it. When you get to
Jesus.
50 people, it's gonna be great.
If we had 50 people, I think we could do it.
Yeah, I couldn't move with the bulldozer, 0 chance.
We'll come back next week with 50 people.
So I don't know if you guys remember, I'm sure you do. We built a truck for a girl, her name was Mia. She brought her friend with her. Her friend's name was Trev, and he drives a couple years old Illuma Duty. And you could tell he came with her to support her, but he was more or less defeated because now Mia has a way cooler truck than he does because all of his stuff's stock, and he was talking about how he wanted to do all this stuff. We introduced Fusion Forge by Fuel just the other week. We happen to have a set of Fusion Forge wheels up on Nitto tires, and they're about to pull up here in a minute. Mia's gonna pick up her truck. We have it back. We just did some trimming for her so she could turn a little bit better. And when they take off to go shoot rollers, we're gonna hurry up, pull his truck in the garage. We're gonna swap over his wheels and tires to the new Fusion Forge, so when he gets back, he'll be able to check out his truck with his new wheels and tires that he has no idea he's getting. What's up, dude? Slowpoke. You guys brought the whole crew, nice. Austin, what's up? How are you? Hi, how are you? Dude, when are you gonna put some fucking wheels on this thing?
I had my buddies on the other day.
You had your buddy's wheels on? Who does that? You guys actually aren't allowed to pass this. I'm just All right, so you chop the front, so you're gonna rub a little bit still in the back, but the turning radius is like landslides better. But yeah, so you guys are gonna go shoot some rollers.
Follow them.
How's shooting rollers? Jake's like, come on. Yeah. And he can hear us all the time. Like, did you get used to it though? Yeah. Good, because I have another truck for you to shoot rollers of. What's this? That black one out there? You're joking me.
Are we buddies wheels?
I don't want to talk about the barn, but are these wheels new?
Those are Fusion Forge wheels, yep.
Yeah, you're like the first person on these in the world.
They're brand new. They just launched it the 1st of October.
So I hope you wanted 2412s.
We couldn't have her flexing on you like that bad. You know what I'm saying?
I'm lost for.
You like them or what?
Yeah.
Sweet.
You might have,
Those
yeah, she
are
rubs.
sick.
So,
That's fine.
we can do a little cutting while you're here yet too.
I'm just lost for words. How did I end up with this? Why do I deserve this?
You had the right truck and we had the right wheels.
Literally, so Fuel sent us these wheels to debut, and we could not for the life of us figure out where we were gonna find a Super Duty, and that was the day before we delivered her truck. So when you pulled up with this, it just happened to be the perfect truck.
You know what Fusion Forge is?
Forged on the inside?
Yeah, it's forged barrel.
Forged barrel?
With cast face. Yep.
Well, I was looking at their page like when they first released them.
Yeah. Yeah, so they just launched these, I think, October 1st.
Yeah.
How the hell did you get my keys?
She gave it to Sarah. She's known the whole time.
Great. Holy.
We're working with Nitto, so you actually have one of the best tires like on the market. I know you said your tires were bald. I don't know how yours were, but those are brand new.
Mine were getting there. They were getting there.
You're gonna love
And the
these.
recon
This is
tabs,
literally
so
what I have on mine.
Yeah.
But, we should probably shoot rollers of that though, like actually.
Yeah, we can.
What are you doing?
Building a computer. Jared, what does it look like?
It's the first time I've seen you build anything, so I was just confused. You realize we have trunk or treat tonight, right?
Yeah, are you ready?
I'm ready, as you can see. I'm working on Broncos. What are you doing?
I gotta go get food.
You should probably get to that
I'm cooking that. I will.
eventually.
What's up, guys? So we just finished up our annual trunk or treat show out here in Wrightstown, Wisconsin. It's 33 degrees out. It's raining. Jared sucks at his job, so he comes
I'm building SEMA trucks,
He's
dude.
building SEMA trucks
And John
inside.
Gates here.
John Gates just showed up, and he's way late, but that's okay. We ended up actually having a pretty good turnout. Like I said, it's 33 degrees. It's raining. It's cold. It's miserable. But we had probably 50 trucks show up or so, give or take, and we had a bunch of cars show up, and we had people from all over town. Pretty cool little event we do. We, buy a whole bunch of candy for the kids. We have people come out. We had the food truck out here. We were serving up some barbecue and whatnot, but all around, pretty damn good turnout.
Well,
That is the coolest thing I've ever driven. Yeah.
that's what I said. I'm like, I didn't realize this was on my bucket list of things I wanted to like ride it.
So unnecessary.
Is that not fast for an Escalade?
Yeah.
Yeah, no shit.
100.